So hello friends, I'm Mr. Jokalam Marianto. Today I'm going to talk about subtraction in Excel. So if you go to the formulas and go to and click, you just find it, select subtraction. Nope, sum project, sum subtotal, no, count, for this time. Oh, quotient, radians, project, power, pi. Oh, yeah, I just get this in here. I don't think it is in Excel. I guess you can use the sum function. Number 2 until a GE7 prospects. Now, if it is, for example, 4 times 4, if you want to subtract 4, just just put a negative. For example, negative 8, then you can add it 10 minus 5. Yeah, there are others too. There are others in here, and I will explain that in another video. Charges is sum is done. Found up, found down, found, and then quotient, product, power, and pi. Oh, it's pi, not really. So it's power, product, quotient. I will explain that in another video because that the power. The power is basically power, and then the product is multiplication, and quotient is division. So yeah, that's it, I suppose. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.